Hi splendid lovers, it's your favorite chef Vicky Knight and I'm back with another amazing video. Today I'll be sharing with you guys this very yummy bread buns recipe, and trust me, the ingredients for these yummy bread buns are easily accessible and very affordable. So let's dive right into the business of the day. To make these bread buns, you'll be needing your flour. Please do well to check the description box for the correct measurement of recipe. Okay, I just mixed my dry ingredients together, which is my flour, baking powder, salt, and powdered milk. Okay, you are going to give that a nice stir and set it aside. Now let's mix our wet ingredients. You'll be needing your vegetable oil, 1 egg. Add your sugar to your liquid mixture and give it a nice stir for everything to combine. For this recipe, you'll be needing 1 cup of water, but you are going to pay attention to how I added the water. Okay, I'm going to add a bit of the water to my liquid mixture. Okay, don't add everything at once. You are going to add the remaining water while mixing your dough. So once you have your liquid mixture nice and ready, you are going to introduce your liquid mixture into the dry. Now you are going to mix this using your hand because you want to form a dough. While mixing, you are going to introduce the remaining water, okay, and continue the mixing process. Now once your dough begins to form, you are going to transfer it to your work surface for you to be able to knead this properly. So guys, you want to knead this like you do while kneading your bread dough. Okay, you can see the way I am using my palm to knead this dough. What you want to achieve is your dough looking exactly like a bread dough, so you want to knead it properly. Okay, I kneaded this dough for I think about 10 to 12 minutes and it was ready. So just continue the kneading process. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. Can you see how this dough is looking? When you punch it with your finger, it should be able to bounce back. Okay, then you know you've achieved the perfect dough. Now you sprinkle your work surface with some flour and you begin to roll your dough just like so. So you want to roll your dough to about half an inch thick, okay, and you are going to start rolling it like this, like you want to make a bread roll, or maybe while rolling your fish roll. You can see what I'm doing on your screen. So this is exactly what you want to do. Just roll it like so, and you are going to use your rolling pin to flatten it a bit, just as you can see me do on your screen right now. Now you are going to flip your dough and just use your finger to make sure that the ends are sealing properly. You want to seal this so that it will not open up while frying, so seal it properly. Now your dough is ready. You are going to start cutting it out like I'm doing right now on your screen. Okay, you want to try your best to make sure that your cut out dough are of the same size. Okay, so guys, this is what we have. This is what your dough should be looking like, okay, or what your bread buns should be looking like. Now you are going to get a bowl or a kitchen towel to cover your dough while you add some vegetable oil to a pan, then you heat it up. Okay, once your vegetable oil is hot enough, you are going to transfer your dough to your pan and start frying. Okay, you want to fry this on medium heat. Okay, please not high heat. If you fry your bread buns on high heat, it's not going to cook properly. Okay, so use medium heat to fry your bread buns. Keep stirring it so that it will cook and fry evenly. Okay, so once your bread buns is golden brown, you are going to take it out of the oil because it is ready at this point. Can you see how beautiful these bread buns are looking? So this is what you want to achieve. Okay, just take it out and put it in a sieve lined with kitchen towel so you can drain out excess oil. Okay, our bread buns is ready. This does not only looks good, but it tastes even better. Can you see how this is looking? You can make this for commercial purpose and you can enjoy with your friends and family. So I will see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.